Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome back to Chaosmas. Today is DUCKmas time. Yes, it is. It is our next episode of DUCKmas. We have a reveal for you. We have some advent calendars and some chit chats. Chit chat. All right, if you're up for that, then come on back because we're going to get right into it so we don't keep you here all day long. Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome back to DUCKmas. Only way that I can do this Christmas stuff is for it to be chaoticmas. It started off chaotic and it's going to end chaotic. So welcome back. Thanks for those of you who keep coming back every day. And hopefully this one will be a quick one. But you know I always say that. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, come on back if you want to see all the chaos. Stop me, Bean Beauties. Stop me. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it lays across the body. Okay, this next bag I had purchased in August the 16th off of eBay. Okay, well, let me show you the bag. Dun, 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 dun. I had been looking for a good bag like this in for a long time, since 2023. I purchased Jackie from Jack's Bag Attack. She was one of the first in-person YouTube content creators that I met. We had, at that time, both of us had a little bit more freer schedule, and so we got to get together a little bit more. And so for her birthday or for Christmas or a combo, no, not a combo, I made sure to give her a birthday and a Christmas present. I bought her this pattern in a bucket bag. And so I've been looking and looking for this pattern in a good price point, again, for myself, and, you know, and in great shape, because if you found a good price point, they were just pretty beat up. And I was like, you know, I can't do the cleaning up too much anymore. So I grabbed this bag. It was a good price. Well, then I got it, and it had a stinky smell. Yeah. And so when I reached out to the seller and I said, you didn't say that it had an odor to it, you know, it was kind of like a musty odor, kind of, you know, odor. And so she gave me, I think she knew, so she gave me a credit. So I ended up only paying $40 for this. And I stuffed it off. Since August, it has been stuffed with charcoal packs. Here's the front. Here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, here's the bottom, here's the top, the handles go down. I was trying to find another bucket bag, but there was, you know, I have never found another one. I found several of these satchels, and I found, no, I think I've only seen these satchels. This is a zip. It has the two zippers, and it goes down on the side. Here is what it looks like on the inside. There is my charcoal packs. I have all these charcoal packs I've had in here since August. So let's do the sniff test. Oh, I also sprayed the inside with vodka, because who was it? Saya from Frozen Luxury had told me that helps take the odor out. The vodka does. So just whatever cheap vodka that you have. So I sprayed it, and I was like, okay, I ain't gonna worry about because it's trimmed in leather. I said, because I can't stand the smell. Oh, it smelled. Okay, it went away. I think it went away. I don't smell anything. Oh yes, it works. So between the vodka and the charcoal packs, oh, thank God I can use the bag now. There is the inside. It's trimmed in leather, and the vodka didn't stain it. Or I was trying to be as careful as I could and just get the lining. And you just let it soak in. Yay, it worked. So that is how this is like the second bag. This is only like the second. Yeah, this is really the only second bag that I've had that has been just have an odor in it, like a strong one that I've thought like, oh, I can't use it. And the vodka trick with the charcoal packs really helped. All right, so Bean Beauties, have y'all ever seen one of these? I love this pattern. It is coated canvas, And it's just a beautiful, the hues of the blues are just so beautiful. So I waited a long time. This summer, I was able to find a lot of bags off of my hunting list. So I'm glad to have this off my list. And I can move on to something else. I still love that bucket bag. And if that bucket bag ever came up, you know, and I found it again, I would find another one. I definitely would grab it, but I am definitely satisfied with this. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, let's head over to the advent calendars. Okay, DIY hand sanitizer. And my new favorite duck calendar. All right. These are a little hard to open, but they've been so fun. You can turn these into charms, which is why I ended up getting them again this year. This is the first time I've got them. But I wasn't going to do the ducks, but I did because you can turn them into charms. He's a little, what is he? Like a present, a little round present. He's in a little pillbox hat. Pillbox. Let's turn him into a quick charm. Or a quick charm ornament. If you haven't seen me show you these before, these just have a lobster claw on both ends. So if you have anything that has a little hole or a string, you just pop it on and it's an instant charm, instant ornament. And you can decorate your tree. Okay, so I'll try to link all of this down in the description box for y'all in case y'all are interested. All right, beauties, now it's time for hand sanitizer of DIY. Let's see. Okay. I hope I bought some that were past the holiday. Oh, yes, this is White Sea and Sage. White Sea and Sage. Ooh, it smells good. I'm going to put it in my hands because you know what happened the last time. Okay, I'll put it in my little pile there. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming by. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Don't forget, like, subscribe, help get me to 2K by the end of 2025, or let's roll into the early part of 2026. Thank y'all for coming by. Thank you, Bean Beauties. Love y'all. Bye-bye.